100 lucky fans who will be randomly selected para sa chance nyo to meet and greet with the hottest love team of Kim Chiu and Gerald Anderson sa One Kapamilya Go sa California's Great America on September 12. Go to www.onekapamilyago.com at i-download ang entry form. Fill out the form at i-fax ito together with a copy of your One Kapamilya Go ticket or a printout of your Great America purchase confirmation. I-fax ang lahat ng ito sa 650-551-1062. Attention, One Kapamilya Go Early Bird Meet and Greet. Deadline is Sunday, September 5, 6 p.m. Pacific Time. For more information, go to www.onekapamilyago.com. Kaya naman, get your tickets now! Mas maaga, mas may chance kang makipag-picture-picture with Kim and Gerald. One Kapamilya Go sa September 12 na!